Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. In the previous video I showed you how I made the base plate for the cross-slide vise on my cheap little drill press. The problem that I have with it is the lead screw on this side is always in the way of your post of your drill, and that irritates the living hell out of me. It's just a pain in the hindsight. So what we're going to do tonight is we're going to try and swap around the lead screw to come in from this side and be able to move it around a bit more. So let's get into it. Right, so now that we've got it out, I'm just going to screw it in from the other side. I call it the right side. This little handle will still sort out somewhere along the way, but as I know myself, this is probably going to stay like that for the next 3 to 5 years. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to line this up and just mark out where I want the new holes drilled. There we go. Now screw everything out again. Oh, actually, I'm able to pull this out. Just make sure you do not lose the little metal retainers that they've got in here. Okay, so what I've done is I've pre-drilled the holes, little pilot hole. Here I've got a 5mm drill bit that we're going to use in order to tap a 6mm standard M6mm thread in there. So let's just ream them out to the correct size and then we can start tapping. Luckily the cast iron that it's made out of is not that hard. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this screw out as well, just in order to have our tap wrench going all around and right through. Okay, so I've got a standard M6 tap at 6mm by 1mm thread that I've oiled up on the flute, so let's see how it goes. And now we can just slide it back in. I think I'm just going to clean up the ways a bit. Now this is a very cheap cross-slide vise, so gotta piss with what you got. So I'll weld them maybe a little bit. And now we can put the back brace together again. Now I'm just going to tighten up the ways a little bit. And there we have it. I'll still make a plan. I think I'm going to put hand wheels on here, null the hand wheels once I get around to it, and just be able to. And I'll do something with this as well. Oh, there's one screw that I left out. Put a washer in there to take up some of the slop, and now I think I'm battling with that. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And there we have it. Quick little 15-minute project. Now your cross-slide vise on your drill press is a lot more versatile. You still have the length that you can use on longer items without getting your hands over the workpiece and under the drill bit. It makes it a lot safer. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was a quick one. I hope it helps you out. If you want to try it, please go ahead. I think it's worthwhile, and I'll see what I can cook up for you. And most importantly, stay safe.